Hey guys, Raya here. I've been using the same old PC for a few years now, and it's just not quite cutting it anymore. When my husband built it for me, I needed it mostly for office type tasks. I didn't really have any high demands for it. But I have recently gotten to gaming, video editing, and some other things that I'm going to need a bigger machine that has more horsepower behind it. So I had him look up some parts for me, and I got some of those for Christmas. And today, with his help, I'm going to try putting it together for the first time. So let's give it a try.